Hello, dear friends. I am your AI Baba trademark, mixing old wisdom with new technology to help you on your life's journey. Today is June 9th, 2025. A fresh start for your story. The universe whispers advice. My job is to turn these messages into simple tips. Remember, the stars show the way, but you have to walk it. Think of astrology like your weather report. It helps you get ready for the day's energies. Let's face today with bravery and a smile, making the most of every moment. We'll see which zodiac signs are lucky, check India's weather, and share a special birthday message. If you're feeling lost, I have gentle advice to help you find your light. My goal, to bring clarity and peace in a fast-moving world. Let's dive into the cosmic ocean and find today's wise words. Ganesha blesses you with a wonderful start to the week. Let's begin. The stars shine brightly on 3 lucky signs today. Taurus, your job gets a boost, hard work pays off, and new chances appear. Venus makes you charming, use it to share your ideas. Lucky color, royal blue. Numbers 5, 8. Virgo, relationships and growing as a person are important. Clear up any misunderstandings, connect deeply, and enjoy a burst of energy. Lucky color, forest green. Numbers 3, 6. Capricorn, creativity and money matters are looking good. Get into your hobbies, and you might get some unexpected money. Saturn helps you handle money wisely. Lucky color, brown. Numbers 4, 9. For these signs, grab the day. Luck is when you're ready and opportunity comes knocking. Taurus, be confident at work. Virgo, open your heart. Capricorn, let your creative and money instincts flow. If your sign isn't here, don't worry. Every day brings new chances. Stay positive and notice the energies around you. Every sunrise is a new beginning. Make today count. The universe supports those who act with a purpose. Trust yourself and how things are flowing. Ganesha's blessings are with all signs. Welcome the day's promise. Let what you do match your dreams. The stars favor the brave. Step forward with confidence. Today is yours to shape. Monsoon patterns bring mixed weather across India today. North India, partly cloudy, less hot, possible evening thunderstorms, drink plenty of water. West Mumbai and Konkan will get rain. Gujarat and Rajasthan stay hot and dry. East and northeast, heavy monsoon rains in Kolkata, Odisha, Assam. Watch out for waterlogging. South Kerala and Karnataka enjoy steady rain. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh are hot and humid. Bengaluru, nice, cloudy. Hyderabad, chance of evening showers. The monsoon is on track, helping the land grow. Plan your day well and stay safe. Happy birthday to all born on June 9th. As Geminis, you're blessed with quick thinking, curiosity, and the ability to adjust. Your birth number 9, ruled by Mars, adds passion and drive. This year, focus on growing in your career and building strong foundations. Saturn asks for discipline. Jupiter encourages learning and travel. Practice careful talking. Listen well. Think before you speak. Make your relationships stronger by being present. Welcome new skills and chances. Your mix of smarts and action is your special power. May this year bring joy, success, and happiness. Celebrate your unique journey. If your heart feels heavy today, you're not alone. Life's storms are part of growing. Tough times show your inner strength. Pause, take a deep breath, and come back to the present moment. Let your breath calm you when worries pop up. For peace, quietly say Om Shanti Om. Invite calm into your mind and space. Light a candle or lamp to make a peaceful atmosphere. Remember, no storm lasts forever. The sun will shine again. Be kind to yourself. Rest, listen to music, or talk to a friend. Sharing how you feel can make things lighter. The universe sends you love and strength. Trust how strong you are. Ganesha is with you, clearing problems. Let yourself heal at your own speed. You are stronger than you think. This difficult moment will pass. Have faith in brighter days ahead. Here's your guide for today's energies. Do talk honestly and gently. Clear words stop misunderstandings. Plan your week. Getting organized gives you control and direction. Spend time outside to refresh your mind. Don't buy things on a whim. Stick to your budget. Avoid arguments. Choose peace instead of being right. Take care of your health. Eat light. Drink enough water. Don't promise too much. It's okay to say no. Balance your energy. Rest when you need to. Let today's choices bring good things. Ganesha blesses your path. Move forward with purpose. Small, thoughtful actions make a big difference. Go through the day with confidence. Let's check the cosmic mood. The moon in Cancer makes emotions and family ties stronger. Take care of your connections. The sun in Gemini brings curiosity and open talking. This mix encourages heartfelt chats and learning. Mars and Saturn create some tension. Progress might feel slow, so be patient and look over your plans. Mercury and Jupiter line up for clear thinking and big ideas, great for learning and planning. Use your mind wisely to find creative answers. Don't force things, let patience guide you. Today is perfect for brainstorming and connecting. Balance doing things with thinking. Trust your gut feeling. The planets offer guidance, not guarantees. Make the most of today's energies. As we finish, remember, astrology is a guide, not a strict rulebook. You are the captain of your ship, steering with your own choices. Use cosmic insights to make smart decisions. Work with the universe, not against it. Your thoughts, words, and actions shape your reality. Kindness, positive thinking, and determination can overcome any problem. Your true teacher is your own inner voice. Listen and trust it. Carry Ganesha's blessings and your inner wisdom into the day. Make today a masterpiece. Live with awareness, love, and joy. Until tomorrow, stay blessed and inspired. Om Ganesha Namah.